Sta kinaku meneer Karlsberg, representante UNICEF. E tinha aberto com o jeugdbeleid com o colega Croes trando duro para by the way programa hope ambicioso, mas agora esse rapport, pero hope bom. E by the way que eu criei cooperação intensiva entre o ministro na permita não tinha dúvida que seja também possível. Então nós estamos agradecidos com o meneer Karlsberg aqui para não somente nos programa que nós estamos andando, mas também para dar-nos advies, também como nós podemos melhorar nos planos e também para como nós podemos melhorar nossa governação. Vooral a parte de coordinação entre o ministro, para assim nós podemos mais proveito assim para nossa juventude, para como vai bem, maneira que as belta bisa e maneira nós mesmos bisa também, vamos investir mais e mais no futuro e o futuro está bom muito não.
It was fascinating to see the engagement of the Prime Minister. I have met the Prime Minister before, and he continues with this practice of visiting different neighborhoods and so on. We talked about different good examples from different parts of the world in terms of child policies, youth policies, and so on. The function that I have this time is looking at how the different sectors of society in Aruba will contribute to help create a generation of leaders. But if we are to have a generation of leaders, we want all our children to be leaders in the coming years, then we also need to look at what can get them out of that track. What are the risks? How do we create a protective environment? That cannot be done only by government. The behavior at home, the behavior by society, the behavior by business leaders, what happens in church, all of these influences, and therefore we want all the different sectors of society to contribute with ideas to the youth policy, but also for us to raise awareness of what they can do to help build an Aruba that is known as the best place for a child to be born in. And we would like everybody to contribute to that.